Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most of tomato season by dehydrating some Roma tomatoes in the Breeze dehydrator. After dehydrating, I'm going to show you how to preserve them in some garlic infused olive oil. So I've got 2 kilos of ripe Roma tomatoes here. I've just washed them really thoroughly. They're nice and dry. All I need to do now is cut them into quarters. You could do halves if you like, and then we'll load up the dehydrator trays. Place the tomatoes cut side up on the trays. The tomatoes will shrink to half the size, so don't worry about leaving too much space in between. If the tomatoes are too tall to stack the trays, you can leave a tray between each layer with the wire rack removed. For the garlic infused oil, peel and slice 8 garlic cloves and place them onto a tray lined with a silicone mat. Stack up the trays, place the lid on, and set the dehydrator to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and set the time for 8 hours, after which point you can check them for doneness. It may take up to 20 hours to fully dry the tomatoes, but the garlic will be done sooner. A completely dehydrated tomato should be dry and leathery with no moisture coming out when you squeeze it. So I've got my dehydrated garlic and tomatoes all ready to go now. I'm going to prepare the oil infusion, but first I'm going to blanch these tomatoes in some hot water and vinegar, and that's going to help to just rehydrate them slightly, which might sound a little strange, but it will get a really nice texture and help to remove any residual bacteria. Bring a litre of water and half a cup of white vinegar to a gentle boil and blanch the dried tomatoes for around 2 minutes. Remove them with a slotted spoon and blot them dry with a clean towel. Working in layers, place some of the tomatoes into 2 sterilised jars, followed by the dried garlic and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. I've mixed together some dried oregano, some dried basil and some dried thyme. Sprinkle a little bit of the herb mix over the garlic and then repeat your layers. Now gently heat 2 cups of olive oil and bring it up to 38 degrees Celsius. Pour it over the tomatoes and make sure they're fully submerged in oil. Now you can put the lid on and they're ready to store in the pantry. So there you have it, another cool way to use your Breeze dehydrator. This is a really great gift for friends at any time of year, and it's also a great way to use the Luvele vacuum canisters to keep it nice and fresh. Give this one a go at home. Maybe you want to play around with the flavors, add some chili, some different types of aromats. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another video.